he poured 1500-degree molten lava onto a crystal ball. Would the crystal ball shatter? First, he placed the crystal ball into an industrial shredder. As the machine spun, the crystal ball rotated with it. Surprisingly, it didn't break, just a few small surface cracks appeared. Next, he placed it under a hydraulic press. As the press slowly came down, the crystal ball suddenly cracked wide open. Then he dropped it from a height onto a steel plate. It hit the ground hard, but instead of shattering completely, it only broke into a few pieces. Now it was time for the real test with molten lava. He had two crystal shapes, one sphere and one cube. First, he heated a lava block until it was fully molten. Then he poured the lava onto the cube-shaped crystal. The lava quickly spread across the surface, but nothing dramatic happened. It just sat there and cooled. Next, he switched to the crystal sphere. As soon as the lava poured over it, the entire ball was instantly coated in glowing molten rock. After it cooled, he removed the hardened lava shell. Beneath it, the crystal was covered in deep cracks. Surprisingly, those cracks formed a